Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Messenger storage option not showing problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, go to your phone Play Store application. Search here Messenger. Your Messenger is already latest version and update. Now go back to your home screen. Now tap on your Messenger apps. Tap on this icon. Scroll down here little bit. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Go back. Now go back to your home screen. Tap on your phone power icon. After that, tap on restart. After restart your phone, hopefully solve successfully.